Hey, good morning, Pirates. Real quick little video screencast to walk you through today's agenda. Welcome back. I hope you had a good and restful holiday. We are starting a new unit today, and we will not finish the unit by finals. We'll just take a final over a part of this unit, but the unit is students will use the organization of the periodic table to predict relative properties of elements based on patterns of electrons in the outermost energy levels of atoms. And so two kind of graphic things that you're going to need to kind of start to understand. One of them is the periodic table and how and why it's organized the way it is. And the other is atomic structure. And so how do we see or draw atoms of each of the elements, and how does that picture of the atom relate to its location in the periodic table? And so that's kind of our big overall goal for this unit. Virtual students, as always, there's a Zoom link. I plan on having it open all day. Today you can join when it's convenient for you, and again, that's within school hours. Obviously, it doesn't have to be your day. If you're an A day, you could join a B day and so forth. You could also join other sections. And again, that's really just to answer your questions and to clarify things that aren't clear from this discussion right now in the screencast. I'll link that right here. Okay, today's bell work, you're going to create a new bell work slideshow, and today you're just making your title slide. You need your name, a picture of you, and then the title, Organization of the Periodic Table, on that slide. And then submit it for the day. Submitting it gives you daily points as well as backing it up in case you lose that slideshow. To get you kind of looking at atoms and the periodic table and atomic structure, I'm going to have you do an assignment called Adopt an Element Research, and you're going to research two different elements as outlined when you click here on the assignment. And when you open this, it says use the provided document as an outline, and so when you actually come down and look at the cloud assignment, your cloud assignment will look like this. You can see you're going to put your name and hour. You're going to do a fact sheet for one element and a second fact sheet for a second element, and you're choosing those elements within the parameters that you need to make sure you don't choose the same two elements as other students have chosen in your section. And so you can see what others are doing. If you click on this link, it takes you to this table where students will plug in the names of their elements. Looks like some students are already doing that this morning, and their hour. And then those are the two elements you would use on your fact sheet. And so as you research them, you're looking for the symbol, the number of protons, neutrons, electrons, its atomic number and mass, melting point, boiling point, and the normal phase. Is it a solid, liquid, or gas at room temperature? How much this element would cost if you went to go buy some per unit of mass or measurement. And then would we classify this as a metal, non-metal, or metalloid? What family is it in? How is it named? Who is it, the person that discovered it, or group, or institution? And what year or when did that happen, the date? And then 6 interesting information or facts about your element. Could be uses, compounds that are produced involving this element. And then the final thing is make sure you include a picture or drawing of the atom for this element. And so you'll do that for 2 different elements, and then make sure you include your resources here. And I hope everybody uses this resource right here. I don't see it. So there'll be a link to a resource right here in the assignment when I actually get the assignment edited. Back to our announcement for the day. I want to make sure you understand that the last day for late work will be the 10th, which is next Sunday. So you have about 1 week to turn in late work, which I'm defining as anything that was due before December 18th. On Monday, a week from today, I will no longer be accepting that work. I'll only be accepting work that we were doing over this new unit. The semester ends the 14th, so that gives me a week to get caught up on grading of late work. So you should be thinking with some sense of urgency, I need to get caught up. My grade is going to become permanent part of my record here pretty quick. Again, the Zoom link. If you have any questions, please email me or check into the Zoom. Have a good day.